Hi, welcome to Breathwork Coaching. My name is Coach Erin. I'm a physiologist and wellness coach. I'd like to guide you through a guided breathing session if you experience hyperventilation, panic attacks, air hunger, any type of breathing pattern disorder that doesn't feel natural and isn't supporting you and your well-being. If that is you, then let's find a comfortable place to sit or lie down so you can begin relaxing the body, relaxing the mind, and working on establishing a better, more optimal breathing pattern for you. So find that comfortable place to sit or lie down. Eyes can be closed, and just close the mouth. Just start to breathe in and out through the nose. Start to slow down your breathing rate, taking a smaller inhale and maybe a little bit longer exhale. Our exhale is what is more connected to the parasympathetic nervous system state. That's your rest, digest, restore, and recover. When you inhale, and you inhale big and deep and hard, that's going to stimulate your nervous system. So let's take an in breath that is very light, a short, gentle, soft, and easy inhale with a longer exhale out of the nose. And just start to nasal breathe here. This naturally slows down the breathing rate and the volume of air. So we're not getting that tendency to overbreathe and overstimulate our nervous system. We're slowing it down. Short inhale, longer exhale. Keep it nice and simple. Now that you have a better rate and a better pace, let's work on your pattern. When you inhale, if you tend to suck in on the inhale and reach up with the neck and shoulders, that's going to be a reversed breathing pattern. So what we want to work on is a proper breathing pattern where you're going to inhale and feel like the ribs are opening up a little bit. Feel like you get a little stretch in the belly, a little stretch in the back, and even a little stretch in the pelvic floor and the base of your body. As you inhale, you stretch out horizontally. You don't reach up vertically and suck in. You want to open up. It's like an inside out stretch on your inhale. Keep it gentle though. Keep it short. And then again, now exhale. Let's try to exhale out of the mouth now. So your inhale is going to be in through the nose. You're going to feel that horizontal opening. And then your exhale is going to be out of the mouth. You can make any sound you want. As you continue, we're just exploring. Don't get frustrated. Don't be hard on yourself. You're here. You're doing something good for your well-being. And as you're learning, it might be a little hard at first, but over time, with practice, your respiratory diaphragm is going to be your primary breathing muscle versus your neck and shoulders, which we don't want because that's going to stimulate the nervous system. So continue breathing like this. Gentle inhale, stretching from the inside out. And a longer exhale. Try to exhale out of your mouth. You can blow, or you can go whatever sounds good and feels good for you. We're inhaling through the nose, inhaling a 360-degree opening breath. It's like you're blowing up a balloon in your middle torso section. Not just the belly expands, but all the way around you expands. Gentle inhale. And a nice, long, releasing exhale. Now I'm going to count this out for you. If you lose pace, if you lose my pattern, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Just jump back in on the next inhale when you're ready. So fully exhale your air out of the mouth. Let's inhale, short. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Inhale. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Release. Try to go to the end of your breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Breathe out. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, release. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, breathe out. 2 more. Breathe in, 4 seconds. Breathe out. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out. Good job. Now let your breath be natural. Don't try to control it. Don't try to change it. But just check in. After just a few breaths, how does that feel to be breathing a little slower? So your breathing rate is slower. Breathing in the correct pattern using the respiratory diaphragm. And getting those longer exhales. Yeah, just check in. How does that make you feel? Do you notice a shift that's happened in the last 5 minutes? And that's great. This is all you need to do today. So bring a smile to your face. Thank yourself for showing up, for taking just a moment to slow down. In this fast-paced world we live in, we're always so rushed. Just taking a few minutes of mindfulness, of breathing is so powerful. So come back to this practice anytime you like to do a slower, gentle breathing pattern to build strength in your respiratory diaphragm. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you for being here. Share this video with a friend and breathe well.
Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. We're here to help you connect within from the comfort of your own home, to help you overcome stress and anxiety through guided breathwork, mindful meditation, and somatic movement practices like yoga and Pilates. You can also partner with one of our certified health and wellness coaches so that you can make positive, lasting, and sustainable changes in your health and well-being. For more details, check out breathewellcoaching.com.